Okay, solve the equation. Right, first of all, we have, what we're going to do is we're going to add a 7 to both sides, okay? We're going to live with this. So 5 is there, the 3's there, the exponent's there, but this is now 17 because I added 7 to both sides. I'll now divide both sides by 5, okay? So we basically have this, 3 to the x equals 17 over 5. So I'm going to take the log of both sides. Remember, to find an exponent, log both sides. You can use log to base 10 or ln. I'll just write ln for now. So ln 3 to the x equals ln 17 over 5, okay? Right, the reason why we do that is to bring the exponent to the front. So x ln 3 equals ln, again, 17 over 5. Now, because logs, they're just numbers, I'm just going to divide by the number next to the letter, okay? And that's it. There's your answer, okay? X equals natural log of 17 over 5 over the natural log of 3. Or logs if you want to use log to base 10. That's it. That's all it is. Okay, so let's take a look at this next one. A bit of trig now. So, 165 cosine. Right, I'm going to just do this then. Okay, where's 165? It's about there. 165. So it's in quadrant 2. And the reference angle, can you see, is going to be 15 degrees. Okay, 180 take away 165. So, how can we make 15 degrees? We can say it's 45 take away 30. Okay, so I'm going to do the cosine of this. I'm going to do the cosine of 15 degrees. I'm going to use the reference angle. Remember, it's in quadrant 2, so the answer is going to be negative because it's cosines. So, what's the rule for this? Right, cosine of A minus B is the cosine of A times the cosine of B plus the sine of A times the sine, come on pen, of B, okay? Right, so here we go. So, the cosine of 165, which I'm going to do as, my pen's going a bit funny here. Okay, so we're going to do this. 45 minus 30. So there's A, there's B. Right, so it's the cosine of 45 times the cosine of 30 plus the sine of 45 times the sine of 30, okay, based on that rule there. Right, so we should hopefully all know these from the unit circle. The cosine of 45 degrees is root 2 over 2, okay. The cosine of 30 is root 3 over 2. Plus, what's the sine of 45? That's also root 2 over 2. Again, times the sine of 30, which is a half. Okay, so I've got to do those and do those. Right, what is root 2 times root 3? That's root 6. Again, over 4, because that's 2 times 2. Plus, what's root 2 times 1 over 2 times 2? That's root 2 over 4. Okay, so I have the answer, not quite yet though, of root 6 plus root 2 all over 4. But remember, it's the negative version of this because it's in quadrant 2 where cosines are negative. Okay?